List of shortcuts to directly open pages in Settings in Windows 10. Are you constantly digging through layer after layer of Windows menus just to tweak a single setting? Say hello to URI Shortcuts, a built-in Windows feature that lets you jump straight to specific settings pages with just a simple command. In this video, we'll show you exactly how they work. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. List of Windows Settings URI Shortcuts. Let's dive into the list of MS settings commands you can use. You can run these by typing them into the Run dialog, pasting them into your browser's address bar, or dropping them into scripts to automate your workflow. Just a heads up, these shortcuts only open settings pages. As such, they won't change any settings for you. And if something needs admin access, you'll still need the right permissions to make changes. To access work or school accounts, type ms-settings:workplace. To access email and app accounts, type ms-settings:email and accounts. To access family and other people's accounts, type ms-settings:other users. To access sign-in options, type ms-settings:sign-in options. To access Windows backup accounts, type ms-settings:backup. To access your info, type ms-settings:your info. To access apps and features, type ms-settings:apps features. To access apps for websites, type ms-settings:apps for websites. To access default apps, type ms-settings:default apps. To access offline maps, type ms-settings:maps. ms-settings:maps-download maps. To access optional features, type ms-settings:optional features. To access startup, type ms-settings:startup apps. To access video playback, type ms-settings:video playback. Those are just some examples of commands you can try. For the complete list, check out our blog post linked in the description. How to use Settings URI shortcuts in Windows 10 and 11. Try out these 3 quick methods to launch the Settings URI commands. Option 1. Open a settings page via the Run dialog. Press Win+R to open Run. Type the URI command for the specific settings page you want to go to. Finally, hit Enter to open the page. Option 2. Open a settings page using Command Prompt or PowerShell. Search for CMD and open Command Prompt or PowerShell. Then type Start MS Settings. Press Enter to open the settings page. Option 3. Create a desktop shortcut for quick access. Right-click on the desktop and select New Shortcut. Type ms-settings: in the location field. Hit Next, name the shortcut, and tap Finish. Double-click the shortcut to open the settings page instantly. Troubleshooting URI shortcut issues. If a URI command isn't working, it might be due to the wrong format. Make sure it follows this: ms-settings. Another reason could be your Windows version. Some URIs only work on newer versions of Windows 10, 1507, or later. To check your version, press Win+R, type WinVer, and click OK. MS Settings URIs let you quickly open Windows settings pages without digging through menus. For more information, check out our official blog post on list of shortcuts to directly open pages in settings in Windows 10, linked in the description below.